Oh, give us a little overview, Levi. What is it? No. What is it? 90.
86.
86.
DR200.
DR200. Mean machine with the studs. No idea.
We're just gonna. I'm gonna do this. We're gonna go.
We should just rip it. Honestly.
Every single one of them.
Every single one.
We're gonna need a lot more.
We'll go get. I think we should go get some more self-tappers then. Yeah.
All right.
Like, that's gonna be.
That's a lot of fucking.
That's gonna be pretty sick. And that gold, you know, freshy.
We'll clean her out. All right. Well, I guess we should start putting fucking.
Why are you
spitting? Or the fact it hits the swing arm. We'll be fine. I feel.
You ready?
Yeah,
Not about it. So we got some 1-inch studs. No, just joking. They're self-tappers.
You think it'll start?
Yeah, I think it'll start. She was.
We broke through the ice with the handlebar. Holy shit. What, you count?
No, we bought 600.
We bought 200 at first.
Yeah.
It's got some guy online.
Sound like
200 would do it. So we did the front tire, and we didn't even have enough to do the front tire. So we went to Home Depot and bought another 400.
Roll.
If you park like you fuck, you must never get it in. If you park like you fuck, you must never get it in, huh?
There's no way.
And then left foot across.
Let me out. Right here?
Yep.
Chill out.
I can't do it. Oh, I don't want to stay behind.
Watch your knees.
I want to cross. My ass is sore.
Cross over.
Where do you go?
No, I went across.
You chill out. Oh my god.
Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I cannot sleep. I cannot dream tonight. I need somebody and always.
We need to get a good video of him coming down out of the trees.
Why'd you turn it down?
Huh? You turn it
Because
down?
he'll die if,
No.
if he doesn't.
I don't think so.
sideways, you know.
I was trying to really lay her around the corner and she just slid out.
Oh, she got some marks on it already? Not the freshie, not the
Not the
freshie.
best set. But it works alright.
Look at that clown.
This thing like didn't make any noises, decided to tighten up and then stop.
Got the one.
Let's get wild tonight. Turn the fuck up, we going out tonight. I've been waiting all my life. Every time I go out, I think I found my wife. I can't help it, turn down the lights. I'm gonna take something down tonight. This shit is so hot, that's what it's sounding like. Make you wanna fuck around tonight, bitch.
I want you in every way. The passion burns and it goes both ways. When we're not together, I'm in pain. The mightiest ocean couldn't put out this flame.
She coming with me. You wanna say before she leaves? Wanna say before she leaves? Drop like autumn leaves. Teardrop, teardrop. Let it make time to breathe. Yeah.
I know that you came to party, baby, 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 baby. Look like we gon' leave this party with somebody else's lady. I know that you came to party, baby, 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 baby. Look like we gon' leave this party with somebody else's lady.
Let me buy you a drink. Baby, can I get a dance? I don't even know what to think. Will I ever get a chance? I see you standing by yourself. It's still early, it's only about 12. You have any fun lately? Fuck, wake up and say good morning, baby. You want that real love, you daydreaming. Is it real enough? Imagine this dick in you, a lot of fucking is what we get to do. If you give me that sloppy dome, wherever I'm at, you know I'm coming home. I can't leave it alone. Bust another nut, then I'm gone.
Hold on.
What the
It's
fuck?
3:13.
What the fuck is going on around here?